All right, folks, welcome to another edition of our project. In Excel, we have our customer invoice. Customer invoice is a project like almost like on set pay. You go and take the goods from the company, and the company give you the goods. As you sell, you can bring that money back. So the paperwork that we do there is referred to as invoice. Okay, so this invoice, we have the company name, the address, the phone number. These are things the company is going to put on this paper, and you, the customer, going to put your name, your address, your phone number, and that's your email as well. So bill number, you the customer, your bill number, because you understand it will not be your one that will be taking goods from the company. So you have customer 101, and the date you guys took this particular goods is going to be here as well. Okay, so if we come up here, we have ID, the ID of item that you took from item 1 to item 7. So you took 7 items, and what are those item names? Keyboard, VGA cable, the mouse, the monitor, the USB pen drive, the system unit, and that of printer. And the quantity, the amount of keyboard you took is 500, VGA 600, mouse 700, monitor 345, USB pen drive 680, system unit is 800, and printer is 400. So what are those prices that they gave you to sell? They say the keyboard you sell it for $15. What you sell it for $30? What you sell it for $25? All the company wants is at $15. So they are giving their various prices in order for you to sell and bring the money back. So the company will do that calculation, and yourself will do your own calculation. So the company is going to do that calculation, and let's do our own calculation. So we'll say equal the 500 pieces of keyboard you gave me. We're going to times it. Hold the shift and press 8 for times. We're going to times it by what? We're going to times it by the $25, or we're going to times it by the $15. Sorry, by the $15 that we are selling this particular goods. So if you press enter, you find out that you have 7,500 for that company. What are you selling for $50? What are you selling for $25? All the company knows you have 7,500 for them. So the easy way of doing that for the calculations, you don't have to calculate the rest of them. You come to the bottom, as I said in the previous video, just come to the bottom of these answers. Make sure you click on it, and then left click, hold the left click button, and then you drag it. Or when the mouse pointer change to a black, I will just double click 2 times. All of the answers is going to appear. So I will highlight and bring it down to the rest of the answers, so you see the rest of the answers. So what I'm going to do, we're going to find a subtotal. The subtotal, which means the overall total. The overall total. So in order to find the subtotal, I'm going to say equal SUM. I hold the shift and press 9 for parenthesis. Then I left click on the first total. I left click on the first total and bring it down to the last total. And then I press enter. It will give me $146,410. So for the advance, if you are taking the goods, you're supposed to pay $146,000. So in other words, when you're taking the goods, to make it easier for you, you say, okay, I'm going to pay, that would just say $80,000. I'm going to pay $80,000. So when you are paying $80,000, you're going to pay $80,000 or 100. So when you are paying $80,000 as advance, once you make this money, you have to deduct your $80,000 from in it. So you say equal the subtotal minus the $80,000. So when you minus the $80,000 from there and you press equal sign, you find out that the company will have $66,410 because you have minus your $80,000 from in it. So this balance will be the one you're going to take to the company because you're already getting $80,000 as advance. So this one you're going to take back to the company as a business owner. So if you do the business, you are a fair businessman. So for the advance, you are not going to find the advance. The advance is something that you give. So whatever you have to give, that's what you're going to put here. So thank you for this, for your time, and we appreciate you learning a lot from this platform. We look forward to you clicking on our YouTube link at the top of this address, and then be a photo of our YouTube page. We need more follower. Thank you.